All right. Hello, Rivet CrossFit athletes. Happy, whatever day it is, Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. We have a CompTrain benchmark workout today. We've done this one before. I don't remember when exactly, sometime last year. Look it up. It's called Frank the Tank. We have some wall balls, some deadlifts, and some lateral over-the-bar burpees. 3 short, high-intensity, go, 5-minute AMRAPs, right? With a nice big 5-minute break in between each one to get that heart rate down, catch your breath, so you can maintain a very high intensity when it's time to work, right? So these are high-paced, full speed, go for it, 5-minute windows of work. Each one starts with a buy-in on the wall ball. Of course, buy-ins only happen once. You try to get them done as quickly as possible so you can move on to the work of the deadlifts and the burpees. The scored portion of the workout today is just the deadlifts and the burpees. Wall balls do not count towards your score. At the end of the workout, your score will be total reps completed, combined deadlifts and burpees, all 3 parts of the workout. All right, so let's go through it. So the first one, AMRAP 5, starts with a buy-in of 50 wall balls. Nice big set about wall balls. As you'll notice, you go through these AMRAPs, the workout, at the beginning, it's more about wall balls and less about the other movements. And then towards the end, it's more about the other movements and less about the wall balls. First one starts with 50 wall balls. Ideally, 2.5 minutes or less are spent on the wall balls. So you're moving on to the scored portion of the AMRAP, which is 12 deadlifts and 12 lateral over-the-bar burpees. The weight on the deadlift starts pretty light, 185, 135. You should definitely be able to do an unbroken set of touch and go 12 on this one. Should be able to get through that probably a couple times, the 12 and the 12, or at least into the second round, or what we're shooting for. Get a 5-minute break in between, and then your second 5-minute AMRAP starts with a buy-in, 35 wall balls this time. 2 minutes or less on that, ideally, 35 wall balls. And then in the remainder of the 5 minutes, we're doing 9 deadlifts and 9 lateral over-the-bar burpees. The deadlifts go up in weight a little bit, 225, 155. Again, you should be able to get that first set unbroken, touch and go, set of 9. And then after that, when you get back to the bar, probably no more than 1 break, right? So unbroken 9, 1 break, and then, of course, lateral over-the-bar burpees in between as many times as you can. And then your second 5-minute rest before starting the third piece. Another 5-minute AMRAP. This one only starts with a mere 20 wall balls, which you should be able to get done in about a minute or so. So you have a good long time, about 4 minutes or so, to work on 6 deadlifts and 6 lateral over-the-bar burpees. And this one, deadlift gets pretty heavy. We're going up to 275, 155. But again, you should be able to get the first set unbroken, touch and go, even on this one. So set of 6 unbroken burpees, and then after that, you're welcome to break up that set of 6 with 1 break, like a 3 and a 3 or whatever, 4 and a 2. So you should be able to get a few rounds of this last one, definitely, because you have a good time to work on it, even though it's a heavy bar. And of course, this is your last one, so you should have that energy going for you, that mental strength of knowing, I'm almost done, I'm almost done. So keep track of all your rounds and reps. 12-12, 9-9, 6-6. All reps completed of deadlift and lateral over-the-bar burpees completed is your score at the end of the workout. And remember, for our lateral over-the-bar burpees, you can step in or jump out of your burpees. You do not have to stand to full hip extension at the top. You can stay low if you want to. But very importantly, both feet stay together as you jump laterally over the bar. No stepping, no skipping. The feet come apart. You jump back and forth across the bar. And a deadlifts, of course, touch and go sets, like I said, full extension of the hips at the top. All right, Frank the Tank, had fun with it, work hard. Happy Wednesday. I will talk to you tomorrow.